What it do, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Casso. It's been a while since I saw y'all last. I went to LA recently. That was pretty cool for my birthday. Did some other cool things. But I'm back. Got another video for y'all. This is actually my first tech-related video, so I'm really stoked, super excited. Before I dive in, just a quick forward. Thank you for everybody so far. Y'all know the drill. Subscribers, likes, etc. I really appreciate it. Go ahead, subscribe to this video as well. Share with your auntie, your grandma, your great grandma, whoever. I appreciate all the support. So yeah, let's just dive right in. I know y'all see the top of the boxes, so y'all probably have a rough idea of what's going on. PS5 drops on Thursday, so yeah, you already know. My console's on the way, but Sony decided to send out the accessories a week early, so got all my accessories, so I'm really stoked. And that's what we're doing today. We're doing an accessory unboxing, so yeah. Got a lot of lovely things to get into. I'm gonna try to make this video as quick and short and sweet as possible. So yeah, first thing we're gonna get into, boom, the media remote. Pretty straightforward. Your run-of-the-mill media remote, nothing too crazy going on. It has dedicated buttons for Netflix, Spotify, YouTube, so that's dope. So let's just dive right on in. Quick PSA from your boy 21 Savage.
It's a knife.
Yeah, so let's dive right on in. Cut the seal on this junk, you know what I mean? Yeah, big seal cut. All right, let's dive right on in. Boom. Oh, okay. Comes in a nice little cardboard box, so shout out to Sony. Oh my god, it comes with batteries. That is beautiful, because if I had to buy extra battery, I didn't even know it took batteries. I honestly thought it was remote charged, but the fact that it came with batteries, shout out to you, Sony. Y'all doing the damn thing. So yeah, get your paperwork and what's not, throw that to the side. Get the styrofoam off this junk. So yeah, there we go. So there it is. Boom, there's the back. Has the Sony branding right there on the bottom. There's the front, pretty straightforward. Has a nice little black ring around it, which is pretty dope. I like that. So yeah, I'm surprised it doesn't have the I don't know if you, oh, holy crap, it does have it. Wow, Sony thought of everything. So I don't know if you guys have seen videos about like the controller, and on the arm bars on the controller, it has the tiny X's, O's, and triangles embossed. So the media remote is the same way, and I really wish I could show you guys this. But yeah, it's like super duper duper tiny, and it's like embossed in there as well. So that's crazy. Like, Sony's attention to detail is ridiculous. As far as the remote itself, there's a little button right here at the bottom that says push, and that's how you, I guess, open the back to put your batteries in and whatnot. It slides off, boom, batteries go in there. Pretty straightforward. As far as the remote itself, like I said, the coolest thing about it for me personally is there's dedicated buttons for Netflix, YouTube, and Spotify, so that's pretty dope. So you can just jump directly into those things. You don't have to worry about navigating or anything like that. So yeah, pretty straightforward. There is a microphone button in the middle, so I guess you can use voice commands. There's a TV button, so I guess you can turn off your TV with that as well. So pretty cool stuff, pretty straightforward. And of course the PlayStation button here at the bottom, so you can navigate back to the default home screen. So yeah, let's dive right on in with number 2. This bad boy right here, very important. You know, it sucks when you're in the middle of gaming and, you know, one of your things dies. So this is very important, very essential. Got to make sure you get you a charging dock, super important. On the back it says click, charge, play, very straightforward. PS branding all around it, blue on the top. So yeah, let's dive right on in. I should be a surgeon. I'm mad precise with this blade, you know what I'm saying? In my past life, I was a samurai. Actually, I still am a samurai, you know, shout out to Ghost of Tsushima. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this. Boom. Pop that out. So they put everything in these cardboard boxes. That's really nice. I like that. So what you get in the box, pretty straightforward. You get your brick, plug that into the wall, and then plug it directly into the dock. And then you get the dock itself. The dock is actually a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. The photos make it look huge, but I love how the dock uses the same design language as the console. So Sony is like really doubling down this aesthetic, which I really like. A lot of people refer to this as the Seto Kaiba. So you know Kaiba has those tall jackets. So yeah. That's pretty much how this works. Has the Sony branding on the back, so that's pretty cool. And the whole concept behind this is it's a drop-in charger. So I don't know if you can hear that. It's like a little click. So that's how you know the controller is charging fully. When you hear that click, it's gonna be sitting perfectly on the prongs. The controller is also charged via Type-C, as you know. So there's that. And yeah, nothing much, nothing too crazy to go over with. Just your average. Holy crap. Sony needs like a Grammy or something, yo. So the X's, triangles, squares, and circles are embossed on the inside as well. Like Sony just, sheesh. The attention to detail is ridiculous. And there's little grip legs right here so they stay put so it doesn't slide around or anything like that. So that's the charging dock. Next up, as you know, your boy's trying to get into the Twitch game. You know, I already do the YouTube thing, so might as well make the next move over to Twitch. This right here is the first step. This is the HD camera. Pretty cool stuff right here. I think one of my personal favorite features about this is the fact that Sony has built-in background removal tools automatically. So it says it right there on the back. So the coolest thing about that is, as you know, with Twitch, you can have like live broadcasts and things like that. But a lot of people use post because they edit and they use green screen, so that way they can kind of like be melded into their games. But the cool thing about this is that Sony built that technology into the camera, so you don't need any third-party apps. You don't need Adobe or like Final Cut or anything like that to edit in green screen, because Sony would do it for you like that. That's a game changer. Like imagine like jumping directly into a live Twitch stream and boom, you're in the game. You don't need to post edit or anything like that. So solid stuff. Sony really thought of everything. So let's dive right on into the camera. Also, it's 1080, so that's solid, you know. That's like the standard for video now, which is pretty cool. So what you get in the box, you get all your paperwork and whatnot. Let's see. And then you get the actual camera itself. So it is USB-A. Interesting, as opposed to USB-C, so it plugs directly into your console. And as far as the camera itself, there it is. So yeah, there's a stand, and that's built in. So the coolest thing about that is you have the option to place it in front of your TV, above your TV. I'm still trying to figure out how above would work. I guess you like clamp it on top or something. We'll see. Oh, there's a little ledge right here. Okay, yeah, there's a little ledge. So that's where it would rest on top of your TV, then literally the stand would fold into itself. So, and once again, on the inside, X's, circles, triangles, and squares. Like Sony really just hit a home run with this thing. Like their design language, their design team is, yo, I'm telling you, dog, send them a Grammy or something, yo, because they are on it. So yeah, it's pretty straightforward. There's the PlayStation logo on both sides of the camera, so that's pretty solid. And I like how it's like small and out of the way, because I don't know if you guys remember the PS4 camera. That thing was like a brick. It was like this big. So that one's super tiny, super dope, super solid. Stay tuned for the Twitch. I might link it in the description for this video so you guys can go ahead and subscribe. I don't have any content on there yet because I literally, I'm just gonna dive in like, I don't know, like, you know that Trey Songz got that one song, oh, I'm about to dive in, one splash, or something like that. So that's gonna be me with Twitch. Like, I don't know anything about Twitch, but I'm gonna dive right on in. Last but not least, the big boys on the block. So this right here is the Pulse 3D wireless headset. So Sony's vision of pretty much taking gaming to the next level, similar to, I don't know if you guys have AirPods Pro or not, or if you're familiar with the latest iOS update for that. But spatial audio is like the new thing in audio. So Sony basically took that concept and rebranded it as 3D audio, but the concept still stands. So pretty much it's the ability to beamform audio like no matter where you are. So it gives you that immersive experience. So if things are happening on the left side of you, you'll hear them exclusive to the left. If things are happening to the right, you hear them exclusive to the right. If things are happening behind you, you hear it from behind you and things like that. So that's the whole concept behind these 3D audio headset. So let's go ahead and dive right on in. The blade-like precision. You know what? This one is a little bit trickier. I think I'm just gonna peel this one off actually instead. So yeah, like I said, I'm trying to make this video as quick as possible. So I am leaving out like little pieces of information here and there. If I am, I'm sorry. But honestly, a lot of the stuff you can kind of look up, but I do try my best to give you guys some knowledge and wisdom on things that I got going on. Also, this is my first tech video, so like, I'm spitballing here. I mean, I did my research, but at the same time, I'm figuring stuff out for the first time too, so. So the box just don't want to open. Okay then. And I don't want to break the box either because it looked good. Ah, there we go. All right. Let's get you out of here. Huh, packaging. And last but not least, the headset. Wow, these are actually very sexy. These are very, very sexy. Y'all didn't see that. Yeah, so these are designed for all day play essentially, or 12 hours rather. I like the minimalist design. Like there's no extra like bells and whistles. It's just what you see is what you get, and that's genius. I love the fact that they went ahead and went with this elastic reinforced headband. So for all of you folks that got big old noggins, look, this is the headset for you. Like this joint is literally just gonna adjust to your head, like no matter what type of head shape you have. PS logo, Sony logo, PlayStation logo on each ear, which is pretty solid. As far as the actual earmuffs themselves, they are pretty soft. I want to say this is like neoprene. It's not quite leather. So yep. As far as the headset itself, so you do have a 3.5 audio jack, so you don't have to use them wirelessly if you don't want to. You can plug in the traditional 3.5 jack and plug it directly into your controller. The coolest thing about these as well is they are backwards compatible, so they are going to work with the PS4, and also they are compatible with other devices, so your PC, your phone, things like that, which is pretty cool. As far as buttons, you have all of your buttons are going to be located on the left. So you have the ability to change between chat and game audio, adjust the volume, which is pretty cool. You can turn your mic on and off, which is pretty straightforward. And what else? I think there's one other button on here. There's a button that says off monitor. Don't know what that is, but I guess we'll figure out one of these days. As far as the mic system, there's 4 mics. So 2 you can actually see and the other 2 are hidden. So I guess they're built into the headset somewhere. So that's pretty dope. Let's see. Can you imagine like somebody like, oh, they're, So I wonder if they're gonna be noise canceling or not, because I can't really hear much. So interesting. I think I'm gonna try these on my PS4 tonight just to kind of see how they work. There was some other things going on in this box. Ah, yes, there's an envelope. So in here you have your charging cable, type C. Love that. So you can plug it directly into the console to get a charge. Like I said, a full charge is Sony is saying 12 hours. So that's what's really cool about that. You have your Bluetooth interface. So this will plug directly into your console, giving you that Bluetooth connectivity, and then also, last but not least, your 3.5 jack. So for this, like I said, if you want to go the traditional route, go for it. You can plug this in and plug it directly into your controller. Some people are scared of Bluetooth. They think it's gonna fry your brains. It is what it is. So yeah, that's it. Thank you everybody for tuning into the video. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Every subscription goes a long way. Still trying to get to 100. We almost there, so I can get that custom URL to make it easier to find my videos. So yeah, tell your mama, your auntie, your sister, your cousin, your brother, whoever. Tell them all, and catch you guys on the next one.